Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel, Sholapur. I Nikita teacher teaching you social studies for grade 3. Yes children, today what we are going to do? Today we are going to learn new lesson, that is lesson number 3. Yeah. Before starting lesson number 3, what we have learned in the previous session? Yeah, we have learned lesson number 2. We have solved textbook exercise, we have seen some enrichment activity. But in lesson number 2, means of communication. In means of communication, what we have learned children? Tell me. Yes. Tell me what is meant by communication children? Yeah. Communication is nothing but sending and receiving message through to communicate with our loved ones. Okay, that is known as means of communication. Then even what we have learned in this communication, different means of communication. Yes, how many different means of communication we have learned children? Yes, correct, we have learned 6 different means of communication. Tell me children, which are those different means of communication? Yes, give me the answer. Yes, exactly correct. We have learned postal system communication, telephone communication, mass communication, satellite, yes, again, yeah, internet and emails, and even we have learned about smartphones and e-readers. Yeah, these different types of communication we have learned in detail. But in today's session we are going to start with a new lesson, that is lesson number 3. We are going to start with the new lesson, lesson number 3. Yes children, understood? Let's start lesson number 3. What is the name of the lesson number 3? That we are going to learn about people in our lives. Yes children, people in our lives. Who is helping us in our day-to-day life? How many people comes around us? Do you know? Yeah, how much time you have spent, with whom people you have spent? You can come to know. But today what you are going to discuss? You are going to discuss people in our lives. What are those people plays an important role in our day-to-day life? We are going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, let's start the new lesson number 3, people in our lives. Okay, start. Yes children, are you ready? Yes children, today we are going to start with the lesson number 3, that is people in our lives. People in our lives. Yeah, in this lesson what you will learn about? What you are going to learn? You are going to see the people who help us like a teachers. We are going to discuss about teachers, doctors, police and postal worker. What we are going to discuss in this lesson? We are going to discuss which are the different peoples who help us, like teachers, doctors, police and postal worker. They help us a lot. And what important role they play in our life? We are going to see. Without these people, life is really difficult. Yes, the children, we are going to discuss these points in this lesson. Okay children, are you ready? Okay. Now people in our lives. People in our lives. Many people in our society. Many people in our society has important role to play in our lives. As you know, many people are there in our society and they play an important role in our lives. And it would very difficult to lead a life without the help of these people. Suppose now if these people will not there, what will be the life? We are so helpless. Because of these people only our life is easy, because they are helping us a lot in our day-to-day life. That's why they play an important role. Do you know who are these people? Yes children, do you know who are these people who are helping us a lot in our life? Yes children? Okay, let's see. Who are the people? They help us. Yeah, who are they? They are doctors. Who are they? They are doctors, teachers, police and postal worker. Who are they? They are doctors, teachers, police and postal workers. These plays an important role. These people plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Without these people, our life is so difficult. Yes children, without these people our life is so difficult. Now what you are going to do? Let us learn more about these people and their contributions to our lives. Okay? What you are going to do? You are going to learn about them. You are going to learn about these people. What are they contributing to our daily life? What helps we are getting from these people? Okay children? Let's start. Yeah, people in our lives. Who are those? Those are our teachers. As you know, we are going to school. Who help us a lot? Our teachers. Yes, children, when you fall sick, where you go? Yes, of course you go to doctors. Even doctors plays an important role in our lives. When you are having some problems, when there is any problems regarding law, where you will go? Yes, you will go to police. Even police also help us. Nowadays policemen and doctors, they are taking care of us. Yes, no, they are taking so much care of us. Yeah. And next is what? Postal worker. What the postal worker they are doing? They are delivering the letters at home. Also they are also useful for us in our day-to-day lives. Okay children, these four peoples in our lives plays an important role. Now we are going to discuss about these people who plays very important role in our lives, that is teachers, doctors, police and postal worker. Let us discuss about it in details. Okay children, let us start with first teachers. Yes children, what is this? Teachers. Now tell me children, who teaches us? Yeah, tell me who is the first guru? Yeah, who is the first guru? Yes, yeah, our first guru is what? Our parents. Our first guru is our parents. But next is what? Our teachers. Why teachers plays an important role in our daily life? Yes children. Yes, when you come to school, what teacher gives you? Teacher gives you a knowledge. She teaches you good habits. Yeah, how to behave with the elder one. Yes, she teaches you good manners in the school, and she teaches you a lot of things. Whenever you grow up, you can come to know what teacher has taught you in your day-to-day life. That's why teacher is an important part in our life. But I know, are you missing to your teacher? Are you really miss your teacher? Yes, I know you are really missing your teacher a lot, because nowadays we are not at school, we are not meeting with each other. That's why we are very far away from you. But then too, teacher is also missing you a lot. Okay children, let us start. What teachers plays an important role in our life? What teacher works for us? Yes, after our parents, teacher play very important role to shape our life. As I told you, our first guru is parents, and after parents, teacher is our second guru, and she plays a very important role to shape our life. Who play an important role to shape our life? Teachers and parents. They teach us how to write. What teacher teaches you in the school? They teach us how to write, read, paint, sing, dance and play. What teacher teaches you in the school? She teaches how to write, read, paint, sing, dance and play. Okay children? Next is what? Even teacher teaches us a good habits, good manners, and even she teaches us a moral values. What she do? She teaches us moral values. Understood? Next is what teacher again do? Teacher also take us on trip, even picnics, nature walk, where we learn through fun. Even teacher takes us on trip. When you go to trip, you enjoy a lot. Yes, picnics and nature walks where we learn through fun. With the fun also, teacher is making fun at the trip or picnics or a nature walk. You people are enjoying those funs now. Even I know you are missing those fun when you spend in the school. Yes children, understood what teacher do for us? Yeah, even teacher guide us to become a successful career. Teacher is a guider to become a successful career in our career or a business. A good teacher help us to become a good human being and also a good citizen of the country. Yes children, what teacher teaches you? Teacher even guide us to become a successful career, as you have learned in the term 1 about occupation. When you grow up, you have to, whichever according to your choice, abilities and interests, you can select your occupation. To selecting this occupation, who will guide us? Who is the main who will guide us? Our parents as well as our teacher. Become successful in our career or a business. A good teacher help us to become a good human and also a good citizen of the country. As you can see, these are the person who has being a successful career in their life. The life without teacher is impossible. That's why teacher plays an important role in our daily life. She helps us a lot. She gives us a knowledge how to behave with others and how she is guiding us to become a successful person in our life. That's why teacher is an important part in our day-to-day life. Okay children? Next one is what? Even to celebrate the importance of teacher, we are celebrating, as you know, we are celebrating Teachers Day. Yes, to celebrate the importance of teacher, we celebrate Teachers Day every year on 5th September. When we are celebrating Teachers Day on 5th September, to celebrate the importance of teacher, what the teacher plays an important role. Yes, that's why we are celebrating Teachers Day. When we are celebrating Teachers Day every year on 5th September, on the occasion of the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Because of them we are celebrating, because he is a great teacher. With the honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna's birthday, we are celebrating Teachers Day. Yes children, understood? Yes, what teachers plays an important role in our life. Next, what we are going, even teachers shows our loves and respect to, everyone have to show our loves and respect for our teacher. Yes, when you grow up also, you can come to know what teacher has taught you. Because of teacher only, now we have become a successful person in our life. When you grow up, you will become a successful person in your life because of teachers. Yes children, understood? It is important that people realize the importance of teachers in our lives and follow their teachings. That's why you have to give more importance, that people who realize the importance of teachers in our life and follows their teachings, whatever teacher has taught you. Yes children, understood? Next, what we are going to do? First we have learned about teachers. Next, who is helping us? Doctors. Now children, tell me, when you go to doctor, when you fall sick or when you are feeling ill, that time where you go? Doctor. If doctors are not there, what will happen? Without doctor we can't live, because doctor help us when we are falling sick or when we are ill. Yes children, even doctor plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Without doctor, without them, our life is too difficult. Yes, who is he? He is a doctor. Now let us discuss about doctor. Doctor are very important to our society. As I told you, doctor even also plays an important role. Whenever we fall ill, where we go? We go to see a doctor. When we fall ill, we visit to the doctor. Yes, the boy is feeling, she is not feeling well. Then where he will go? He will go to the doctor. Then what doctors prescribe us? Doctor prescribes us medicines and advises to take a rest, and also tells us what to eat and not to eat. Understood, children? Yes, doctor prescribes us medicines. When we visit to doctor, doctor gives us medicines and tell us that you have to rest, take a rest, and what things you are going to eat and what things you are not going to eat. The doctors guide us. We also go to doctor for vaccination against some disease like polio, typhoid and cholera. Okay, these also vaccination, for vaccination purpose we used to go doctor. When someone is very ill, when someone is really ill, then what doctor will advise? Doctor advise them to go to the hospital. As you can see, there are so many hospitals in our cities and towns. Yeah, when someone is really very ill, the doctor advise them to go to the hospitals, where they will go to the hospital. In a hospital, the doctors and nurses are working there, look after us. Who are there in the hospital? Doctors as well as nurses. The hospital has the facility. What are the facility in the hospital? The hospital has the facility to admit patient and to take different medical tests to determine their cause for their illness. Yes. When you go to, suppose a person is really not feeling well, then doctor advises to go to hospital. And who is working in hospital? Doctors and nurses. And what the doctors are having the facility to admit the patient, and even they can test different medical tests they can do, and which cause, which disease, which illness they are suffering from, this we can come to know because of these tests. Every big city has one or more government or private hospital. As you can see, every big city is having one or more than government hospital or even a private hospitals also. In villages, as you know, in villages, dispensaries and clinics take care of the sick people. In villages, who is taking care? Dispensaries and clinics take care of the sick people. Yes, children, understood? In the absence of dispensaries or clinics, if there is no, in the absence, if suppose there is no, if the absences of dispensaries and clinic is not there in village, what the government runs are mobile dispensaries. What the government runs are mobile dispensaries. Mobile dispensaries means what? A car, that known as mobile dispensaries. As you can see in the picture, what are these? The mobile dispensaries. In the absence of dispensaries and clinics, we are using government runs mobile dispensaries. Okay. A mobile dispensary is a van with a doctor, nurses and some medicines. What is the mobile dispensary? Mobile dispensary is a van with a doctor, nurse and some medicines and emergency equipments like oxygen cylinder. Yes, it is a mobile dispensary is a van with the doctor. In mobile dispensary, doctor is also available, nurse is also there, and even some medicines, and whichever emergency requirement is there, that time oxygen cylinder is also available in the mobile dispensary. The van goes from one village to other to look after sick people. This van goes from village to village to look after the sick people. Understood, children? Next is what? A doctor also helps in providing vaccination to small babies to protect them from disease like cholera, polio, typhoid, diphtheria, measles. Yes, these also doctors are giving vaccination to the small babies. A doctor who treats sick and injured animals are called veterinary doctor or a vet, or we can say in short vet doctor. Okay, who is there, who is taking care of animals. That doctors are known as veterinary doctor. As you can see in the picture, who is he? He is a veterinary doctor. Even we can say a short in vet. See how they are taking care of animals, injured animals. Okay children, understood? Now what the doctor plays an important role when we fall sick, when we are not feeling well, when we are having fever, we visit to doctor. Because of doctor we can feel better. That's why they play an important role in our life. Without the help of the doctor, our life is really difficult. Understood? Now what next we are going to learn about? Next is police. We are going to discuss about police. Yeah, who is he? Police. Sir, tell me what police do for us? Police maintain a law and order for us. He help us to catch people who do not follow the law. And even what policemen also take care on traffic. When the people they are not driving safely, who looks after us? Traffic policeman. Suppose if whatever things we have lost from home, who will take care of us? Our policeman. That's why policeman is also important role in our life now. Yes, now let us discuss about what policeman is doing for us, which duties they are doing for us. Nowadays you can see the police has worked a lot. Doctors and police has played an important role in our life. As you can see, these many days they have worked a lot for us. Yes, let us discuss about police. Do you know who protects our life and property and maintains law and orders in our society? Yes, children, tell me, you know who protects our life and properties and maintains law and order in our society? Yes. Who is he? He is a police. It is the police. Police helps our society by catching thieves, robbers, etc. who do not follow law. As you can see the picture of how the police protect us. Yes, because police plays an important role. Policeman works from police station. From where the policeman is working? From police station. Each society has a police station. As you know, each society is having a police station where we can call anytime for help. Policeman helps a lot. Whenever we are facing problem, we can call to policeman at any time for help. What is this? This is a police station where policeman work. Next is police performs various duties. As you can see in the picture, policeman is performing various duties. They use mobile police van to patrol our cities 24 hours a day. Which van it is? Patrol van. Who protects our cities 24 hours a day. These vans also attend to accidents on the road. These vans are also attend to accidents on the roads. As you can see, wherever you can find the accident, these vans is very helpful. These van help us a lot. If someone is missing or if someone has lost its belongings such as wallet, mobile phone, jewelries, they can report it to police station, okay, or a missing person. Suppose if a missing person or someone has lost a wallet or mobile or jewelries, then where we are reporting? We are reporting to the police station. The police then take action to find missing person or belongings. Wherever the police will take an action to find, they will start finding the missing person, and whatever things we have lost, they will start searching. Have you seen traffic police at traffic crossing on the road? Yes children, have you seen the traffic police on the road? Yes. What is their duty? Traffic police controls traffic on busy road. Yes, what police traffic do? It controls the traffic on busy road. They try to avoid traffic jams or accidents on road. They try to avoid traffic jams or accident on road. We must follow traffic rules. Yes children, as you know, what are the traffic rules? That we have to follow the traffic rules. Yes, even traffic policeman plays important role. It helps us to control the traffic on a road and to avoid traffic jams or accidents on the road, and that's why we have to follow the traffic rules. Understood? Next is postal worker. What is this? Next is postal worker. What postal worker help us? As you have learned in the previous lesson, what is doing a postal worker? We are sending and receiving message through postal service. And what happens? What works they are doing? We are going to see. It also plays an important role in our life. Who is the postal worker? Who delivers letter at home? Yes, children, who delivers letter at home? Yes, postman. We read in an earlier lesson that we can send and receive message through postal service. The postal workers collect letters from the post offices and deliver it to us. How does post office work? As you have learned in the previous lesson that how the postal service help us. Yeah, we can send letters and receive letters. Yes, with the help of postal service. And postal workers, what they will do? They will collect the letters from the post offices and deliver it to us. How does post office work? We are going to see how work they do for us. Yes, children? Every society has a post office. Yes, children, as you can see, this is a post box. Every society has a post office. We drop letters in the post box. Where you drop the letter? In the post box. Postal worker or a postman collects letter from post box and takes them to the local post office where the postman collects letter from the postal worker, or postman collects the letter from the post box and takes them to the local post office. Yes, and here all the letters are sorted out according to the pin codes. As I told you, pin code is necessary. With the help of pin code, they will sorted the letters which city or towns it is related. Okay, with the help of post boxes. According to pin codes, these letters are then sent by, according to the pin codes, these letters sent then by road, rail or air transport. Yes, what are these? We can send by road, rail or air transport to the different offices. The postal worker in those post office deliver this letter. With the help of this transport facility, we can send letters to the different post office. And the postal worker, what they do? The postal worker in those post office deliver these letters. Yes, the postal worker in those post office deliver this letter. The postal workers also deliver money orders. Even postal workers, what they deliver? Money order also. Postcard, speed post, register post or parcel. They are delivering these things to us. Yes, children, even big towns and cities may have many post offices with many postal workers. Yes, who delivers in fixed areas. That is, heat, cold or rain, nothing stop to postal worker from doing their duty. As you know, whenever we want a message, when we want to send the letters, who is delivering us? The postal worker is delivering the letters. That's why it plays an important role. They are not saying regarding heat, cold, rain, whatever the climate is there, they are doing their service. They are not stopping their service by their whatever they are doing the work for us. They are heat, cold or rain, nothing stop the postal worker from doing their duty. Okay, children? So what we have learned in this lesson? Children? Yeah. So the next time you see a postal worker, greet her or him with a smile. When the postman is visiting your home, you have to greet them with a good smile. What? And next what? Teacher teaches us to read, write and do many other things. What teacher do us? She teaches us to read, write and do many other things. Doctors looks after our health. Who takes care of our health? Doctors. The police protect our life and property. Yes, and the postal workers deliver letters, postcard and money orders. Yes children, as you have learned in this lesson. Okay, understood? Here we have completed our lesson number 3. In lesson number 3, what we have learned, what we have discussed, who plays an important role in our life. Okay, as you know, doctor, teachers, policeman and postal worker, these people really plays an important role in our life. Without them our life will be so difficult. Yes children. And how you are going to greet to the postman? You are going to greet to the postman with a good smile. You have to respect all these peoples. As you know, they are playing a very important role in our day-to-day life. Yes children. Now what we have done today? We have learned lesson number 3, or then we have completed our lesson number 3. Then what you are going to do? I am going to give you homework. Then you are going to open your Canopy textbook. What you are going to open your Canopy textbook? Turn to Canopy textbook and you are going to start reading lesson number 3, people in our lives. And whichever hard words or difficulties you find, you have to underline those hard words and you are going to read them 5 times. In the next session, what we are going to see? We are going to see some question answers, presentation, animation. Yes, even if we'll get time, we can solve textbook exercise also in the next session. Till that time, you have to read those lessons and you have to learn hard words. Okay children, bye bye, see you, take care, thank you.